Hello, my name is Daman Kosur. I am co-writer and director of the movie Under the Volcano. I'm very happy, I'm very pleased that you're gonna have a chance to watch our film in cinemas in Serbia. Unfortunately, as you know, the war in Ukraine is still ongoing, and there are no indications that the conflict gonna end soon. So the protagonists of my film, Sofia, Anastasia, and Roman, they still living in Ukraine. In fact, they never left their country, only for that short period of shooting, of course. I just spoke with Sofia yesterday, and she spent the whole night hiding in the shelter because of the bombardment of Kiev. But as you will have a chance to see my film, it's not just about the war in Ukraine. It's a film about people that were forced to leave their countries, to leave their homes for many different reasons. I hope you're gonna have a good screening, and I hope we're gonna stay safe. Thank you.